Hello, welcome to my W200 final reflection video. In this video, I will be thinking about and exploring a lot of the resources and things that I have thought about and learned through my W200 class this year. My name is Abby Kriegler. I'm currently a freshman studying elementary education with a minor in theater, currently working to kind of build my own major that's K through 8, theater and arts education. Very excited about that. When I graduate, I would really love to teach drama to kind of middle school age children, but I would also be happy to teach any subject to K through 8 students. I work in elementary school right now, where I work mostly with kindergarten through second graders, and they're all wonderful. I think each subject in each grade has its own unique challenges and joys, and I look forward to exploring all of those when I graduate. My beliefs about technology integration in the classroom have really kind of grown and evolved over the course of this semester. Prior to taking W200, I really thought technology was something that was kind of out of reach for me. I have never really been super tech savvy as much as I want to, and so I always kind of thought as my future classroom as being a space that would kind of reflect that and be a lot more hands-on and physical and that kind of thing. But W200 really opened my eyes to all the different ways technology can really enhance the classroom experience and make it more fun for students and make it more effective for students, as well as it's not as difficult as I thought, and really kind of showing me and expanding my worldview on all the resources available and all the things that I can do that will really help my future students, which is so exciting. I really explored a lot of those through my badge building. The first badge I'm going to talk about is the Jeopardy badge. From elementary school, I remember playing Jeopardy on teams, and it was a great way that really built class unity and that you got to play on a team, and it was more exciting and fun and engaging than a traditional review. I know with traditional review sheets, I would often get distracted in the middle of them and not really finish them, and therefore wouldn't be as reviewed and ready for the test as when we would play a game. A lot of my teachers would use Jeopardy games to kind of encourage super participation by offering like bonus points if you are on the winning team, which I always thought was really cool. It's taking a moment to load. The one I made for my badge was one about U.S. history. It went with U.S. history standards for 5th graders, which is kind of the area I would ideally teach, and it was so easy to make and it's so easy to play. You could just easily put this up on a projector and up on your screen, and then it's just right there. Let's say they picked 300. What was the U.S. governing document before the Constitution? It was the Articles of Confederation, and so this is just a super easy way, and you could add points just to really build class unity that I'm really excited to use in my classroom one day. Another badge that I really enjoyed getting was through the Learning Management Systems badge. I learned how to use Class Dojo, which is a system of you can load all of your students into the system, and you can send out reminders, assignments, and give points, which I look forward to really using in my classroom. I feel like it's a great way to motivate students. It has options where you can give them points and track their progress that only they can see. So it's not something that's going to be big and open and embarrassing in front of the whole class, but can be something that motivates them personally and something that tracks their growth. It also allows you to send out assignments as a reminder to parents so that they can help each other. It allows introductions as a teacher. There's all sorts of great resources that doing by hand on paper wouldn't be as easy or as effective. It really minimizes the time on my end, which is really cool. And then my last badge I'm going to talk about is the open educational resources. I got to submit a lesson plan I made for another class on here, a Valentine's Day Readers Theater, and sharing that with other teachers kind of really show me the community that's out there online to connect with other teachers, to get other resources that I may not have ever thought of. Like, well, I thought to do a Valentine's Day Readers Theater. Another teacher in Connecticut might not have thought to do that. And so now they have access to that, and they can really, grow and change that. And I think that's really, really cool. So as you can see through all of this, I have learned so much in W200 that I plan to utilize in my future classroom. And my mind has been so changed when it comes to technology, and I really feel like it's something that I can do and I can utilize, and it's something that's really going to enrich my classroom environment and hopefully my students' educational career and help me prepare them for this increasingly digital age. So thank you, W200. Bye!